The Gulf Coast Biologics Training Center is a scientific and educational training institute that's fully dedicated to the clinical growth and understanding of regenerative medicine. Its focus is to provide evidence-based clinical material on tissue regeneration that's relevant to clinicians and practitioners of various fields. The center is located in Fort Myers, Florida, and offers a variety of topic-sensitive didactic programs and hands-on training with cadavers and live demonstrations. Attendees enjoy a collaborative educational experience in a modern and vibrant atmosphere and are empowered with content when they leave.
And I have participated in other PRP classes from different institutions given in New York, and I get that you guys are superior. This course was very informative, and I'm saying this in a sincere way because I wish we could have this for another 2-3 days and people could talk the way they talk and give us the knowledge. It was a very practical part. Everything was addressed with knowledge, sincerity, and it was very individual, transparent information. So it was not like somebody transferred the slides from the book to us. It was slides that were purely built on individual experience of physicians or PAs who talk here, and all was just right done. I really like it.
Its professional staff and members are some of the most knowledgeable, experienced, and accomplished people in the industry, and are positioned to help define how we practice for years to come. Sign up today and be a part of a clinical shift towards evidence-based science and impactful clinical outcomes.